EUA January, RUA February, SANUA March, SUA April, UUA May, LUUA June, CHIUA July, PAUA August. These all months of the year corresponds with the counting. E mean 1, mean 2, San mean 3, S mean 4, U mean 5, Liu mean 6, Chi mean 7, Pa mean 8. EUA first month of the year, RUA second month of the year, SANUA third month of the year, SUA fourth month of the year, UUA fifth month of the year, LUUA sixth month of the year, CHIUA seventh month of the year, PAUA eighth month of the year, JIAUA September, SHIRUA October, SHIREUA November, SHIRUA December. Jiao means 9, Shir means 10, Shir-E means 11, Shir-Er means 12. Jiao-Yue, 9th month, means September. Shir-Yue means 10th month of the year, October. Shir-Yue, 11th month of the year, that means November. Shir-Er-Yue means 12 month. Shir-Er means 12. Shir-Er-Yue 12 month of the year means December. Jiao-Yue September. Shir-Yue October. Shir-Yue November. Shir-Er-Yue December. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.